Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2020 Toyota Tundra with some great exterior features that include a tonneau cover, front and rear bumper sensors, running boards, along with 3M film protection on the hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray and black cloth interior. This Tundra also comes equipped with a power moonroof, power seat adjustments, and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right, you have Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. Down below on the left side here, you have your power mirror adjustments, along with your power sliding rear window switch and your box light. Over in the middle on the touchscreen, you have some vehicle information, along with your Bluetooth phone connection, AM/FM radio, and a backup camera. Right below that, you have your dual zone climate controls, followed by all of your outlets, your parking sensors, and your heated seat buttons at the bottom. Taking a look at the rear seats, we have two fold-out cup holders, along with an outlet in the back of the center console and a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. These seat bottoms also fold up, giving you access to more storage space. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2020 Toyota Tundra with some great interior features that include heated seats, dual zone climate controls, and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.